In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all extra blank spaces automatically in Microsoft Word. If you've ever copied text from a website, a PDF, or another document, you've probably ended up with strange gaps, multiple spaces between words, or big empty lines breaking up your paragraphs. Manually fixing all of that is slow and frustrating. But Word actually has a built-in tool that can clean it up for you in just a few clicks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use it and give you some tips so you stay in control of your formatting. Start by opening your Word document, or create a new one, and paste in the text you want to fix. It's a good idea to save a copy before you make changes, so if something doesn't look right, you can always go back. Next, we're going to use Word's Find and Replace feature. This lets you search for specific spacing patterns and replace them all at once. Go to the Home tab at the top of the window. On the right-hand side of the ribbon, look for the editing group. Click on Replace. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl and H on Windows, or Command and H on a Mac to open the same dialog. A dialog box will appear with two fields, Find What and Replace With. This is where the magic happens. To remove extra spaces between words, click inside the Find What box and press the spacebar twice. That tells Word to look for every instance of two spaces in a row. Now click in the Replace With box and press the spacebar once. That means every double space will be replaced with a single clean space. Click on Replace All. Word will scan your entire document and tidy up all those double spaces automatically. You'll see a message telling you how many replacements were made. If you want to be more cautious, you can use the Find Next and Replace buttons instead, reviewing each change one at a time. You can repeat this process if you suspect there are spots with 3 or more spaces. Just run the same Find and Replace again until Word reports 0 replacements. To remove extra blank lines between paragraphs, open the Replace box again. In Find What, type 2 paragraph breaks, and in Replace With, type a single paragraph break. Then choose Replace All. This collapses multiple empty lines into a single consistent one, making your document look neat and professional. When you're done, scroll through your document to make sure the spacing looks natural. If anything seems off, use Undo to step back. With this technique, you can clean up messy documents in seconds instead of minutes.